Hey, Don the Anti-Chef here. Listen, while you're enjoying our show, if you're a home cook or just a fellow anti-chef and you think you have some good, cheap recipes that you'd like to share, why not come on our show? Why not be a guest? Come be an anti-chef for a day, okay? Take my challenge, which is a meal for four under $10. And talk about while you're cooking. Talk about whatever you want to talk about. Talk about what gets you in the community. What you want to see in your community. Talk about your charity, your favorite donation program. How you help the community. Talk about whatever you want to talk about. Okay, over here is how to contact me. Okay, my email address is d_wellborn@live.com, and under that, if you're more courageous, my Facebook. So come chat on Messenger. I'm always on. So, if I'm off, it's because I'm recording. So I turn it off so it doesn't make noise. But try me again in an hour. More than likely, I'll be back on. Okay? So if you like this show, if you like what it stands for, why not be a guest? Take my challenge and try your best, okay? Eventually, I will have prizes for guests who take the challenge and win it, which is you got to bring $10 worth of food, have to have the receipt for it, that it's only $10, only use what you brought, and make a meal for four with something left over. It doesn't matter what's left over, just something left over. Okay? So I just wanted to say that. Now, back to our show. Thank you.